you're experiencing server timeout issues on your PlayStation 5, there are several steps you can take to improve your connection and enhance your gaming experience. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. You can do this by running a speed test on your network. A wired connection is generally more reliable than Wi-Fi. Step 2. Restart your router. Sometimes, simply restarting your router can resolve connectivity issues. Unplug your router from the power source, wait for about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. Allow it to fully restart before testing your PS5 connection again. Step 3. Update your PS5 software. Make sure your PlayStation 5 is running the latest system software. Go to Settings, System Software Update and Settings. If an update is available, download and install it to ensure optimal performance. Step 4. Change DNS settings. Changing your DNS settings can improve connection speed and reliability. Go to Settings, Network Settings, Set up Internet Connection. Choose your connection type, select Advanced Settings, and enter public DNS like Google S 8.8, 8.8, and 8.8, 4.4. Step 5. Contact your internet service provider. If you continue to experience server timeout issues, it may be worth contacting your internet service provider ISP. They can check for any outages or issues on their end that may be affecting your connection. By following these steps, you should be able to improve your PlayStation 5 server connection and reduce timeout issues. Happy gaming!